Is a loved one detained by immigration? Well, this video is for you. My name is Molina. I'm a board-certified immigration attorney based in Dallas-Fort Worth to serve clients worldwide. And today we're going to be talking about how to get out of immigration jail. All right, guys, you know the numbers. There's over 70,000 people being detained currently by DHS. This is a record-breaking number. And here's what we're seeing, okay? You're requesting bonds with immigration. It's very important to note that not everyone is eligible for a bond, particularly if you're an, quote, arriving alien. Let's say these are people who present themselves at the border and then immigration authorities let them into the country. Okay, those people are not eligible, or if you've committed certain criminal offenses, anything related with drugs or theft or crimes involving moral turpitude, among other things. So if there's something like that in your record before you even think you're eligible for a bond, please talk to an experienced immigration attorney who can let you know whether a person is eligible for a bond. But let's say you are eligible for a bond. Okay, things are getting a lot harder. Okay, we are noticing that the bond amounts that are being set around the country can be very, very high. Okay, I'm talking about $60,000, $70,000, $80,000. Often for people with no criminal record. Okay, what can you do? I think one of the important things to show is your ability to pay the bond and what else motivates that person to show up to court and to show to the judge that they're not a threat to society. So if there's a criminal conviction, right, rehabilitation is essential. Okay, if it's a recent arrival, right, if the person hasn't been to the United States for very long, it's very important to show your connections to the country. Why would this person not just disappear during deportation proceedings? Okay, so very, very important for you to understand this dynamics and also the sort of judges that are hearing cases, right? So it used to be that if you were detained, the immigration court nearby will hear your case. Well, that's not the case any longer. We're seeing some immigration courts from the border hearing cases for people detained near Dallas, or immigration courts in El Paso hearing cases for people being detained near Houston. Okay, so this changes, right? So it's very important to work with local counsel, or at least people who know how the judge operates or know a little bit more about the judge, or have the ability to investigate and to get some tips about how to present the case. Because what we're seeing is that judges are now interrupting you, asking for things that are not statutorily required, but unless you present it, you're not gonna get the bond. Okay, so if a loved one's detained, please contact an experienced immigration attorney who can walk you through the process and help you figure out whether they're eligible and how to get your loved one out. Again, my name is Molina. Thank you for watching.